If there is an experience of mind going wild and giving rise to many thoughts, relax into its natural calmness. In the naked, direct experience of whatever there is in that moment, simply relax, no matter what arises. When these experiences of blankness, clarity, and thought arise, recognize them, but don't follow or chase after them. Simply rest within the space that is the recognition of their nature. With familiarity, this recognition will last longer and longer. Allow any analysis or coarse thinking to subside in its own place. On occasion, the mind may appear dull and devoid of all movement of thought. Clear this drowsiness and simply rest. Just as the brilliance of sunlight increases when it refracts and reflects on turbulent waters, emotions and thoughts proliferate in an agitated mind. Attempting to stop thoughts simply will not work.